UMA kejuai ba Violet Miki Shila ka NPP ro pen pioneer kala ya kan keno ba Arden Embassy moi ba election embassy hajan je autonomous council kam long ka bai bai yanti hawasi mata ka thil ha jing kran ular ke jelam ta si hin ba thau an ba Violet Miki ro ong ba ka long ka ba susi ba kami ka jing keno nau noi lam ba yau ba ring do ba election embassy hajan je autonomous council kam long bai bai yanti ba Violet Miki la kan tha dak ba ong ba ka jaka bagi job ki ong ba ka yai bai nanti kan ba ka jaka bagi rem ki keno ba kam yai bai nanti bar kani ka long ka besusi banyak skeu nau nong yang barat ba barang ba wa Violet Miki la ong ba ka dor ka bol district na do ki pulit gratis tom ban penlong election ka yai bai nanti hakane kesnem kebrang sudah mentah.
Very sad to hear for one of the accusation just now, sir, that we didn't have a free and fair election in Jainti Hills, sir. It's so sad to hear, sir, from a very senior leader, sir, that in an area where they won, it's a free and fair, where they lose, it's not free and fair. So it's very sad, sir, and I hope that I'm very disturbed to hear such kind of accusation, because I think the people of Jaintia have voted, have given their mandate just recently. So for this, I think all the district administration, the police, and everyone, the election department has worked so hard for the free and fair election. But it's so sad, sir. But nevertheless, sir, it's what can we say? What can we say, sir? It's very common, like last in the other state also, where some party lose, then it is the cause of the EVM and so on. It's so sad, sir, to hear such a senior leader. So with this few submissions, sir, I don't want to continue much. So once again, I would like to thank the Honorable Governor for his address, sir. Thank you, and thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.